viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Hand Embroiderer, Class 10th, Unit 5, Session 2. Our topic for today is packing of embroidered garments or products. After finishing of an embroidered product or garment, it is sent for packing in the packing department before it is sent for actual sales. Packing is the last stage of product manufacturing. Packing serves different important functions. Let us know essential functions of packing. The first function is protection. The main function of packing usually involves protection of products from dust, dirt, and other such agents. During transportation, handling, and storage operations, various types of protections are needed, like physical protection or barrier protection. Physical protection is needed from vibration, mechanical shock, electrostatic discharge, compression, climatic conditions, temperature, etc. While barrier protection is needed from humidity, precipitation, solar radiation, oxygen, water vapor, dust, etc. Storage. Packing makes storage easy. The third function is loading and transport. During loading and transportation time, packed product may be easily lifted, moved, set down, and stored in a warehouse manually or mechanically. The fourth function is the promotional function. Attractive packing attracts customers' attention and creates a positive impact on the purchasing decision. The fifth function is sales. Attractive packing helps to promote the sales process and makes it more feasible. The sixth function is information transmission. Packages and labels give detailed information about product, like how to use ingredients, transport, nature, composition, weight, quantity, storage, recycle, or dispose of the package or product. After knowing the importance of packing, let us look at what materials are used for packing. Products or articles are packed using various packing materials. Some of the commonly used materials are ball head pin, butterfly, carton, inner box, paperboard, plastic clip, plastic collar, polybag, scotch tape, tag pin, rope, tissue paper, thin paper sheets, wooden boxes and crates, hanger packs, etc. Packing can be of different types depending on various factors. We will now learn types of packing. There are generally two kinds of packing of embroidered garments. First, polybag packing. In this type of packing, embroidered products are packed into a polybag before placing them into carton boxes to prevent any kind of damage. This packing is further categorized as: first, single piece packing. In this type, a single product is packed into the polybag and then they are individually packed in the carton. Second is blister packing. In this type of packing, two or more products are packed into a polybag on the basis of size and color ratio. These polybags are then placed into a carton box. The second type of packing is packing without polybag. In this method, the products are just folded and arranged in carton boxes without placing them into the polybag. Different ways of packing are as follows. Solid packing. In this method of packing, the carton box will include products of the single color and same size. For example, 20 embroidered kurtas for a similar color, for example, red. Similar design and the similar size, say S, will be put in one carton box. Second, assorted packing or ratio packing, which is further divided into ratio packing. Ratio packing, this method is mainly used for garments. In this method, the carton boxes includes garments of the same color but of different sizes according to the ratio. For example, small, medium, large, XL. The ratio will be 5:7:7:5. Mixed packing. In this method, the carton box can include garments of different colors but of same size, or garments of different colors and also different sizes. The third categorization of packing is packing based on the folding method. Folding of garments are done in different ways. First, garment is folded flat as per specific dimensions and then packed into a polybag. Second, garment is folded and directly packed into individual cardboard boxes instead of packing into polybags. Third, garments are not fully folded at all. Full garment is packed into a polybag with a hanger attached and then it is placed in the carton. Fourth, garments are not folded and not packed into individual polybag. Instead, these are directly packed into carton boxes. Later, in retail shops, garments are placed in racks using hangers. Since we now know the function, material and the types of packing, let us now learn the steps of packing embroidered goods or products. Steps in packing. First, receiving of mended or finished apparel or articles. Second, attaching necessary tags and labels. Third, folding as per apparel or product. At this stage, tissues, backboard, collar support, cuff support, etc. are inserted. Fourth, packing the folded apparel or product in bags. Fifth, packing the bags in carton or boxes as per size, style, color, etc. Sixth, packing the cartons with adhesive tapes. Seventh, putting barcodes on boxes or cartons. The last step is the completion of packing. After the products are packed, they are either sent for sale or are sent to the inventories for storage. The packing of these products will make sure that they don't get damaged while storage. So viewers, I hope the video was helpful and interesting for you all. That's all for now. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.